the future of your country?
We're in serious trouble.
You think so?
Oh, God. I study money. The only nation more in debt than us is Japan. Stupid Japanese. 2020, January 2020 this year, Biden gets elected. He beats my friend here. I don't know if you know who this guy is. His name is Donald Trump.
Of course.
Very good friend of mine. We are capitalists. He's a very good man. But the communists and the socialists and the crooks hate him. Very good man.
Okay.
So in January 2020, this is what Biden did for the world. I'm an oil guy also. I went to school because I understand oil. I own oil wells like Mr. Tata. See, the rich own commodities.
Okay.
So there was a pipeline running from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. Biden cut that off. What does that mean? So you don't know. What did he do? He cut that pipeline off. I was selling oil in those days for $30 a barrel. Went to $130 a barrel. That's dollars. I knew exactly what Biden was doing. He was going to destroy the middle class. So there'd be two classes of people, rich and everybody else poor. So Biden is one of these guys here. And this man here is a capitalist.
Yeah. So
It's very bad in America, but I don't tell you that.
yeah, as an American, why don't you draw out a picture of what you think America is right now and where it's going?
I tell all the time.
Okay.
That's
for the Indian audiences, because you're one of the most respected Americans, at least in Indian society.
and some people, yes.
No, I generally, if someone takes your name in Indian society, see, we know you through your books
Yes.
and the YouTube videos made about your books.
Yes, thank
so
you.
we have Hindi explanations
Yes.
about Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Like a friend of mine, Seekan, actually
Yes.
makes a bunch of them. You're a great representative of America on a world stage, at least for us.
Thank you. I'm honored.
I would love to know what you think the future of America is from the heart of an American.
What do I think of what?
What's the future of your country?
We're in serious trouble.
You think so?
Oh, God. I study money. This here, I wrote this in 2020. It's Who Stole My Pension? America is bankrupt. We're the biggest debtor nation in the world. The only nation more in debt than us is Japan. Stupid Japanese. Japanese save this. Per capita, Japanese save the most money. And what happens, capitalists, like Trump and I don't know if you speak the same language, but it's called carry trade. So the Japanese save all that little yen, and they buy dollars, and guys like me borrow their money, and we invest all over the world.
Okay.
Japanese are savers. That's why Japan's in trouble. They're not investors.
Okay.
India's in trouble because you don't produce enough money.